no sounds. Well, welcome back to another Minecraft video, guys, and today I am deaf and I cannot hear anything because I don't know why. Also, potion particles don't work, so I have to play the game deaf without any potion particles, and I don't know if anybody has sharp or prot. So, yeah. This is gonna be fun. Very fun. Okay. So I don't know if there's an alarm trap or anything. All I know is that I have to rely solely on vision and instinct. So this is going to be extremely fun, and I'm already halfway through the game. So yeah, you're nicked. Lol, no. Get out of here, kid. Yes, I am almost 400 stars. Oof, yes, that you should be oof. That's exactly what you should be. Good luck. Yeah, you should be telling that to yourself. Well, ImGoodAtMC is actually good at Minecraft, so... This man. Actually, okay, this is actually very hard because I rely so much on hearing rather than vision. I do rely on vision a ton, but hearing is very important because I need to know when somebody's watching. Yeah, what do you mean what XD? Yeah, you want a what XD? Here you go. TNT jump. Good day to you, sir. Can't tell if he's behind me or not. Unless I do that, he's behind me. Of course he is. Don't want to waste all my blocks. Unfortunately, I have a habit of doing that, so. And he voided, which gives me the perfect chance to gapple. Mister, are you okay? Okay. Yeah, I mean, I just installed Badline Client, so it might be something with that. Okay, I can't do this. Oh, this hurts so much. Okay. He's all the way across the map. Where are you at? You're all the way across the map, yeah. Okay, my plan is basically to get something with emeralds, like invis, or a pearl or something, and go rush him, I guess. Wait, okay, I thought he was, like, leaving for some reason. Oh, I already have that. What do I want? Gapples. Where's the invis? There's the invis. Okay. I have 0 jump right now because... Oh, wait. Yeah, that's supposed to be green. Something's wrong. Yeah, you're not supposed to know I'm there. It's a little weird you found me. But... I'm not gonna think anything about it. Oh! That man. Okay. So, I guess I just have to kill him now, so, shouldn't be too hard, he's only a 138 star. Now, there's only one way that a 138 star could actually be good, if he watches my videos, so subscribble. Yay. Okay, where is this man? That's the beauty of the tracking compass. I don't know if I'll upload this or not, so the only way you're obviously gonna see it is if it's on YouTube. Oh, you fireball jumped. Oh, you're hitting me. Oh, crap. Okay. So, He is obviously gonna rush me. And I dropped my mouse, so I'm kinda mad. He would be very unsmart if he didn't rush me. Oh, that's where he is. He's getting M's. Yeah, that's the thing. I'm really reliant on sound to find people who are invis, so if he does happen to go invis, I won't be able to catch him until he's too late. That is a fire hazard. I am a fire cat, so, yeah. Where's this man? That's where he is, okay. Oh, O'Reilly's auto farts. This man. Okay, this man is actually good. I'm scared. He has 75 ping. So I don't know what to do. Like, I have iron armor and stone sword. He has diamond and iron, so statistically I should lose every fight. I mean, I don't want to, but can't ignore the laws of physics unless it's Minecraft. Oh wait, it's Minecraft, so I can ignore the laws of physics. That's why blocks float. But I can't ignore the laws of Minecraft, so I think my only option is to go invis and kill him. Okay, he is all the way over there, probably getting more emeralds. Okay, I gotta remember because there's no particles. Gray equals invis. Slightly purple gray equals jump. And then orange equals speed because it's orange cola. And everyone loves orange cola because it gives you a boost energy. Okay, now I'm invis, so I don't want to hold anything in my hand. And yeah. This guy's actually clutching pretty good. At least he's staying alive, but my invis is gonna run out in 8 seconds, so I'm kinda sad. 3, 2, 1. Okay, I need more emeralds now. I should probably track him, because knowing anything, he's gonna be rushing my bed. Because, I mean, he's a 138 star. How could he not rush my bed? You know, he's probably gonna use those M's to buy a punch bow and just snipe me off every time. But, you never know. What was that supposed to do? I really don't know. Okay, well, no sound clutching in Bedwars against a 138 star. Yay.